recommend doing Kickstarter these days? If so, should Kickstarter launch with game demo or even early? Kickstarter is very, very difficult. Like a while ago, I was talking about how early access nowadays is insanely difficult. And I would say Kickstarter is very much on that same level of difficulty. Gone are the days where you could just launch a Kickstarter, just send a couple of emails, and all of a sudden you get 100K. Nope, that no longer exists. Nowadays, you have to fight tooth and nail to get even just 1K on your Kickstarter. It is very, very difficult. So yeah, I would not recommend doing Kickstarter unless you really specifically need it, and it's basically your only option, because doing a successful Kickstarter is an insane amount of work. You can't just launch it and that's it. No, you need to make an actual intense marketing plan to have a successful Kickstarter. Otherwise, yeah, it will not work. So yeah, Kickstarter nowadays, it is very, very difficult. Yeah, so Kickstarter is worth it when people like your devlogs on YouTube. Yes, if you already have an audience, then yes, Kickstarter might work, but without, like, there was the, I think that guy made a Kickstarter, like Project Feline. I think that's the one. Yeah, this one. Did this guy make a Kickstarter? Because this game, the devlogs, they do get quite a lot of views. Okay, I don't remember if he made a Kickstarter or not. I don't know. But yeah, if you got devlogs with 50,000 views, you might be able to sort of kickstart your Kickstarter, as it were. But yeah, it is, doing Kickstarter nowadays is very difficult. It's basically a full-time job marketing Kickstarter, so I would not recommend that just because it's so difficult. That's basically it.